Hey there, crochet friends! I'm Vivi. Welcome back to my crochet corner. Today, I'm going to show you how to crochet the grit stitch, a beautiful, easy stitch with lots of texture. Perfect for scarves, blankets, and even dishcloths. Here's a little preview of what the grit stitch looks like. Isn't that texture amazing? And the best part? It's beginner-friendly. Materials list. You'll need some worsted weight yarn, a crochet hook, I'm using a 5mm or H hook, and a pair of scissors. Let's get started. In this tutorial, as usual, I'll share the crochet diagram all the time so you can easily follow. Start by making a slip knot and chaining multiple of 2 + 1 number of stitches. I'll chain 15. You can chain any number depending on your project. Row number 1. For row 1, skip the first 2 chains from the hook. In the next chain, work 1 double crochet. Then skip the next chain, and in the following chain make 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Then skip the next chain, and again in the following chain, make 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Repeat that all the way across. Skip 1, single and double in the next. Ending row 1. You should end with a single crochet in the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. Row 2 and beyond. For row 2 and every row after, you'll do the exact same thing. Make 1 double crochet into the first stitch. Skip the 1, which is the double crochet from previous row, and repeat. Single and double crochet into the next single crochet. Repeat that all the way across. Skip 1, single and double in the next. End with a single crochet in the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. Continue pattern. Just keep repeating row 2 until your piece is the size you want. Easy, right? And look how beautiful that texture. And that's it. You've just learned the grit stitch. Simple, textured, and oh so satisfying. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crochet tips, and let me know what stitch you'd like to learn next in the comments. Happy stitching!